Morning, class 9. Okay, so last time we have done up to class up to number 9, so question number 9. So let us continue question number 10, 11, and 12 today. Okay, so not only question number 10, 11, 12, so we will do the previous numbers, like let's get ready. Okay, so this we have not done the previous in the previous numbers. Today we are going to do all these numbers also. Okay, so let us go quickly. Okay, so first of all, coming to question number 10. Question number 10. So find the weight, the weight of 10 students are given below. So what are find the modal weight. Okay, modal means mode, M-O-D-E, mode. So mode means what? Okay, so mode means it is the highest repeated number. Suppose, okay, let me talk about, let me show you the question once. Okay, so let me show you, explain you with the help of this number. Suppose this is the question, find the modal class, or there's mode or something like that will be given. So if the mode is given, then how to find out the mode? The formula of mode, the way to solve the mode is very easy. Okay, because mode means it is the highest repeated frequency. Just frequency there is a tail mode. Okay, so just paisa there te raja. Okay, so in the same way, just frequency there they raja. Okay, that is the mode. Okay, number of main, that means it is a frequency. So which frequency is greater over here? 10, 15, 30, 35, 18, and 12. So which one is the highest one? Which is the highest one? 35 is the highest. That means this is the highest repeated frequency. Your frequency, your 35 is the highest repeated. And S ko X se kata cha ta? Okay, X ko X ka cha? X kata pare ta? So the number is 8. That means the mode is 8. Okay, so why mode is 8? Because it has the highest repeated frequency. Frequency means kati palta repeat bhako cha. So 35 times it is repeated. So your frequency is kasari lekhne bhandakari, suppose, so if you see here, then 35, 37, 35, 34, 33, 35. How many times 35 is repeated? 1, 2, 3. That means it is repeated 3 times, so 35 3 huncha. Frequency ma 3 lekhnu parcha. That means, so this is repeated 3 times, 35 is repeated 3 times, 35, 35, 35. So we need to write down the frequency of 35 as frequency ma kati lekhne 3 lekhne, 35 ma 3 lekhnu parcha. Okay, so in the similar way, so instead of writing like this, so it is written here in this way. So this represents that 8 is repeated 35 times. Just jo dherai repeat bhasa, oh, mode. So which is repeated more? 8 is repeated more. Okay, so 8 is repeated more. So how many times it is repeated? 35 times. So it is the mode. Okay, so यसरी निकाल्नु पर्छ mode. Mode means highest repeated number. Okay, so here, so 33, 35, 37, 39, 42. It doesn't matter which number is bigger, which number is smaller. It doesn't matter. So what matters? Frequency matters over here. Mode ma, modal weight, the mode, so if there is mode written over there, then what matters? The frequency will matter. But the frequency here, it is represented in X, quite a number. Okay, so how can we say which number is bigger over here? So how many students are there altogether? The weight of 10 students. That means if you add all this number, x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3x minus 2 plus x plus 3. Chatta 5 wala plus garne ta. Okay, so this the addition of this number is how much? 10. That means there are how many students altogether? Jamma number of students, how many students are there? 10 students. That means if we add all this number, then it is will be equal to how much? 10. Right? 10 wala students are there. Isko plus garda kati huncha re? Number of students is 10. Okay, so if we add it, it will be 10. So let me show you by the solution itself. Okay, the weight of 10 students. So the same question I have written over here. This is the question, right? And here, the total number of students. So what is the total number of students? So there are 10 number of students. So number of students, that means these are all the numbers of students, but they are represented in X. Suppose if X means 2, that means this means 2 plus 1, 3. 3 jana student. Right? If X is 2, then 2 to the 4. That means 4 student. If X is 2, then 3 to the 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 student. Okay, so 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 5 5 बाट स्टुडेन्ट हो यसरी लेखेको क्या यो चाहिँ ओके so this is represented in the form of x so total number of students is 10 so let us add all this number x plus 1 2x 3x minus 2 x plus 3 okay let us add all these numbers so this will be equal to how much equal to 10 Achha? Okay then after that then add all this number remove the bracket then after that let us add the x let us add x together let us add the numbers together so x plus 2x plus 3x plus x that means 1x 2x 3x 4x 5 6 7x 8x okay 7 plus 1 8x that means 8x will be over here so 1 okay let us add the number now 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 plus 2 that means we need to add them plus 2 over here otherwise you can use a calculator okay so this is 1 plus 1 you type in a calculator 1 plus 1 it is 2 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 3 6 sorry 4 plus 3 7 7 plus 1 8 okay in this way we can do it then after that let us keep numbers together plus when it go this side will be minus 2 so it becomes 8 so when 8 will go this side will be divided okay so it will be divided so because when multiply both this side will be divide sign so 8 divided by 8 so cut is 8 8 1 8 okay okay so after that let us put the value okay so x भनेको यसको value चाहिँ कति हो त let us find out so 33 35 37 39 42 okay so let us write down according to this one okay x मा त्यो लेखौं serially in this way okay then after that let us write down the value of f also frequency x plus 1 x plus 1 okay let us write down serially x plus 3 in this way now let us put the value of x means how much x means 1 x means 1 so without calculation okay so in your mind itself so do the calculation okay do not show the calculation do the calculation in your mind itself okay so x means 1 that means 1 plus 1 x means 1 isn't it so 1 plus 1 2 just assume that x means 1 okay so 1 plus 1 2 so 2x means 21 लेख्ने हैन नि फेरि 2 1 21 लेख्ने हैन okay so 2x means 2 into x isn't it so 2 into 1 2 ones are 2 2 ones are 2 okay so it will be 2 over here so here in the similar way 3x means 3 into x so 3 into 1 okay so 3 into 1 3 minus 2 how much okay it will be 1 so here also so x means 1 so 1 plus 3 4 isn't it 1 plus 3 it will be 4 so use a calculator otherwise so x means 1 so 1 will be the answer so it will be 1 so 1 plus 1 2 so 2 ones are 2 okay so 3 ones are so it will be 3 minus 2 it will be 3 minus 2 how much 1 isn't it so 1 plus 3 it will be 4 so in this way you will get the values of frequency so if this is also frequency this is also frequency so both the cases I have written f over here but this is in terms of x this is the number now what was the question find the modal weight that means mode nikalnu are okay so let us find out the mode so in case of mode what we need to see the frequency highest repeated frequency which one is the highest repeated so 1 2 2 1 4 so which one is the repeated highest repeated सबभन्दा धेरै कुन छ okay 4 is the highest repeated so 4 को answer कति हो त 42 okay always the answer is not in the frequency side the answer is in the x side x should be the answer not the frequency one कहिले काहीँ फेरि the mode is 4 लेख्दाला फेरि हैन okay 4 चाहिँ केमा पर्छ 42 मा okay so who got highest in math okay भन्छ भने okay so suppose one person okay so let Radhika okay so Radhika suppose so Radhika has got 100 in math भन्छ भने so 100 who got highest in math भन्छ भन्दाखेरि के 100 भन्छ तिमीहरु हैन नि who means what who means it is the name of the person so who got highest is 4 but who got it 42 got it so this is the number this is the mode okay 42 is the mode so what is the modal weight So modal weight means mode. Mode means how much? Mode is 42. Why it is 42? Since, okay, mathi duita thopla, tala euta thopla. Okay, so this means this is the signature of since. Okay, if you write on one dot at the top and two dot at the bottom, so that is therefore. So this is since. Okay, so it is like a portion, right? So since it is highly repeated, okay, so 42 is highly repeated, that's why this is the mode. Okay, so very simple. So first find out the value, then after finding the value, then put the value. So which one is repeated, highly repeated, that will be a answer. Okay, so you can pause that video for a while and you can resume the video again. So next one, find the mode of the following information. Okay, so the same thing is given up here. So your total जुन lesson हो त्यसलाई चाहिँ गर्ने हैन. So it is only up to 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 up to this much only. Your total चाहिँ कहाँबाट आयो? From where we are getting this total? So here what was there? The weight of 10 student, isn't it? That means what you have done? So by adding this all, it was equal to 10. In a similar way, so by adding all these x minus 1, x minus 1, 2x, x plus 1, x plus 1, by adding all this, the total is how much? Total is 12. Is it okay or not? Okay, so के लेख्नु पर्यो? Total equals to x minus 1, x minus 1, 2x, x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay, so in this way you get the value and you'll get the value of x. Okay, the value of x will be 2. Okay, the value of x will be 2. So get it? Right? So after getting the value of x, put the value in the similar way. Number 10 get the value and get the answer. Okay, okay, so look at here. So find the modal class. So 11 number to 8 yourself. So find the modal class from the following data. Okay, so here, so it is given 0 to 10. Okay, the number is started from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All the numbers are started from 0. Okay, this is the difficulty. Here also, let us see. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Oh, this is also not in the continuous series. That means we need to arrange them first. So let us see how we have done it. So if the number is not in a serial way, that means 0 to 10. After 10, it must come 10. 10 आउनु पर्ने हो तर यता 0 छ. Oh no. Okay. So here it's 20, but after 20, here also should be 20. यहाँ 20 हुनु पर्ने थियो. But again it is 0. The first number is same. Okay, I mean to say that the first number is same. If this first number is same, then this is not the frequency. Okay, this is not the frequency. This is called CF. What do you call it? We call it CF, cumulative frequency. So if the number is not repeated, if the number is started from the same number, 12b it is started from 4, I think. Okay, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, that means, so this number also we need to do in the similar way. Okay, so let us start how to do it. So first of all, let us arrange the number 0 to 10. Okay, do not write down 0 to 20. 0 to 20 लेख्ने होइन. So what is the ending number? 10. That means we need to start from 10. यहाँ जे छ नि त्यही लेख्नु पर्छ. 10. Okay, so 10 to 20. So what is the ending number? 20. That means we need to write down 20 to 30. So here is 30, that is 30 to 40. Here is 40, that is 40 to 50, 50 to 60 in this way. Okay, and I told you if it is repeated from the same number, then what we need to do? We need to arrange them first, then the frequency. This is not the frequency. What is it? It is the CF. Okay, it is the CF, cumulative frequency. That means CF ma chai lekhne yo. Okay, then how will you get the frequency then? हामीलाई चाहिने त के हो? मोडमा frequency हो. CF त हैन, सबभन्दा ठुलो यो 30 हो. That means 50 to 60 होइन है. Okay, so this is not the frequency. This is the CF. We need to find out the frequency first. So frequency कसरी निकाल्ने? So let me write down with the pencil. So first of all, we need to write down 5. Write down the same number, 5 lekhne. Okay, so don't need to write down the arrow over here. Then after that, so in this line, what we need to do? That means we need to subtract them. Frequency कसरी निकाल्ने? By subtracting. Okay, so so how will you get the value of CF, sorry, frequency. So subtract them. So 12 minus 5 how much? 12 minus 5, it will be 7. Okay, let us keep on subtracting. 16 minus 12, your number sanga mathlo number minus karne. So 16 minus 12, it becomes 4. So 21 minus 16, it becomes 5. 25 minus 21, it becomes 4. And 30 minus 25, it becomes 5. Okay, so we are just subtracting 30 यो जहाँ छ नि हो त्यो नम्बर हेर्ने त्यससँग माइनस माथिको माइनससँग माथिको नम्बरसँग माइनस गर्ने. So here this you are finding out, that means you need to see this number, so you need to subtract this number with the upper number. 25 minus 21, 4. Okay, so if there is the number, there is nothing, that means 5 minus 0, 5. That means right on the same number, 5. So यतापट्टि हो भने 12 minus 5, 16 minus 12. Okay, so in this way you will get the number. So let us see how what we have done it. Okay, the same thing we have done, 5 7 4 5 4 5. Okay, so let me clear this. Okay, we got this value already. Now what is our main thing? So our main thing is to see the frequency, not the CF. Okay, just see the frequency only. Now in this frequency, which one is the highest number? Because we need to find out the we need to find out what? We need to find out the modal class. Okay, so which is the highest repeated number? 5 4 5 4 7 5. Which one is the highest repeated number? Okay, 7 is the highest repeated number. That means what is the modal class? Okay, so I told you, so this is the highest repeated, but what is the highest repeated? Which one is the highest repeated? So 10 to 20. I told you just before also, x ko jun cha ni, oh this ko value chai, it is the answer. This is the answer. This is the position. F is the position where it lies. Okay, so kata पर्छ भनेर the frequency ले भन्छ, तर answer चाहिँ के हो त 10 to 20. So 7 is the highest repeated number. That means what is the modal class? Modal class is 10 to 20. So modal class equals to 10 to 20. Why 10 to 20? Because it has highly repeated frequency. Okay, so it has the highest repeated frequency. यो सब भन्दा ठुलो. That's why this is our this is our modal class. Is that okay or not? So this we have got with the help of by subtracting. So you किन यसरी निकालेको? Because all the numbers, they are starting from the same number, 0 0 0 0 0, but we need to arrange them in this way, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 यसरी arrange गर्नुपर्ने हो. Okay, so this so whatever number you get it in the frequency, so you need to write in CF, subtract गर्ने, you will get this number, and you need to check the frequency. Okay, frequency 7 is the highest number. That means what is the modal class? 10 to 20 is the modal class. Okay, so 10 to 20 is the modal class. That means 10 to 20 class. Okay, so why? Because since, okay, so I have written therefore. Okay, yeah. So let us write on since. So dita thopla mathi, dita thopla tala. Okay, since it has highly repeated frequency. Okay, so in this way we need to write down. So if you have not completed, pause the video and do it. Let me go for the next clip. Okay, so let me go a little bit quickly. Okay, so the next number, that means we are going to go to let's get ready now. So number 12 B is left. So 12B also we need to do in the similar way. Now let us go to let's get ready now. Okay, after completion of all the numbers, we are going to start the number now. That means find the position of median in an ungrouped data having 15 terms. Okay, position means th item कति हो अरे, कतिवटा how many numbers are there? 15 numbers are there. So what is the formula of median? The formula of median is n plus 1 by 4 2, n plus 1 by 2 th item, isn't it? So the formula laune. So this is the value of n. This is n. How many terms? 15 terms are there. Okay, this is n. You need to find out the median. Just you need to find out the position only. So here is also median. That means you need to find out the position. Right? So n plus 1 by 2. So what is the formula for the first quartile? First quartile means Q1. What is the formula of Q1? N plus 1 by 4. Right? First quartile means n plus 1 by 4. So third quartile means 3 bracket n plus 1 by 4 th item. Okay, these are the values of n. Is it okay or not? Okay, so let us see how we have done it. Okay, so see here. So find the position of the median in an ungrouped data. Okay, so having 15 terms. That means what is this 15 terms? This is n. So n is 15. So what do you need to find out? You need to find out the position of median. That means median position equals to question mark. Okay, so median position means what is the position of median that we need to find out. So your th item nikalne sakyo. Okay, so what is the formula of median? Median is n plus 1 by 2 th item. So n means 15, 15 plus 1 by 2 th item. So 15 plus 1 it will be 16, 16 by 2 th item. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, suppose if it is 3 then 3 rd, let me third. If it is 2 then 2 nd, second. Okay, so if it is 8 then it is written as 8th. That means 8 and th, like me 8th item. So n means 15, 15 plus 1, 15 plus 1 means 16, 16 by 2 means 8th item will be the value of median. Is that okay? Okay. So let us go to the next number. Let us see what is there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can do it. So third quartile means you need to find out 3n by 4. Okay, so 3 bracket n plus 1 by 4. Right? 3 bracket n plus 1 by 4. Hope you know the formula. Right? So this is the value of n means 31 and nikalne parthyo. Okay, so let us go to number 5. So find the median. Oh, then the median nikalnu. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. N equals to 5. So what is the formula of median? Median का formula क्या होता? So the formula of median is n plus 1 by 2 th item. Okay. So what is the formula of find the first quartile? First quartile means what? It is Q1. So formula of Q1 is n plus 1 by 4. Right? N plus 1 by 4 th item. So let us count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means there are n equals to how much? 7. Okay, so we have already done in the previous numbers. Look at the previous copy. You will see the answers. Right. So third quartile, I have done of third quartile. Okay, so third quartile go number B or number A, I have done it. So let us see what we have done it. So here we have done it. So find the third quartile. Okay, so find the third quartile. So if 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28 are given, then how to find out the third quartile? So first of all, so we need to arrange them in the ascending order. Are they in the ascending order? So arranging in the ascending order. Which one is the smallest? Oh, this is already arranged in the ascending order. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. That means they are in the ascending order. Increasing order master scenario. Okay, so let us write down the numbers in the ascending order first. Okay, then after that, so here the third quartile means Q3 equals to question mark. Q3 भनेको कति हो question mark छ. So n equals to 7. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there. So n equals to 7 हुन्छ. So what is the formula of Q3? The formula of Q3 is 3 bracket n plus 1 by 4 th item. Is it the formula of Q3 or not? So this is the formula of Q3. So 3 bracket n plus 1 by 4 th item. So let us put the value of n. N means 7. 7 plus 1 by 4 th item. 7 plus 1 means 8. 8 by 4. Okay, so 3. So let us cancel this one. So 4 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. That means 2 3 is 6. 6 item will be the answer. If you don't know how to do the calculation, use the calculator. N equals to 7, Q3 equals to 3n plus 1 by 4 TS item, and it's a 3. So what is the value of n? N means 7. Because how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to count the numbers. So the counting of the jati number boy ni. Well, that is n. N means 7. How many numbers? 7 numbers. Okay. Then after that, so 7 plus 1 means it is 8. 8 by 4. So when you cancel it, so it becomes 2, 2, 4, 3. So 3, 3 to the 6. 6 item boy. Okay. And so sixth item means let us count. Where is the sixth item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that 24 is our exact Q3. So 24. So let us go to the next number. Number 8C. Let us see 8C. Okay. So it is due to the power cut. So the net has become a little bit slower. Okay, so sorry for that. Okay, so look at here. So number 8 is, so number up to 7 also you can do it now. So find the mode. Find the mode means highest repeated frequency. So kun dhere repeat bhako cha ta? So 5. How many times it is repeated? 5 and 35 is repeated 3 times. 37 2 times. 35 okay, okay, so I'm getting confused now. Did I count this 35 or not? 34. Did I count before? No, I have not counted. How many times? One time. Oh, 33. Did I count this number or not? Okay. So it's very confused. Okay. So better option kya hota? So let us write down in this way. Okay. So A, C, I have done number 8C. Okay. So alikati dhere number yaha cha. Okay. So let us do number 8C. Okay, so in question number 8C, let me zoom a little bit. Okay, so here we can see that A, C, B, B, C, A, C, A, B, C, A, C. Okay, so what type of numbers are given over here? And so let us arrange them first. Kun number kati pala repeat भएको. So let us write down what are the numbers. So let us start from the smallest. Which one is the smallest? A, B, or C? A is the smallest. So let us write down A. So how many times A is repeated? Let us do it like this. You can use your pencil. Okay, so here what we can do, we can give a different mark for different word. Like A is different. So A, here is A, here is A, here is A. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. How many A's are there? There are 4A. Okay, there are 4A. That means it's Sida ball. Okay, by looking at this one also, we can easily say that, okay, so this is already counted. Alright, so let us go for B now. B, how will you represent? Okay, my name starts from S. Okay, B, B, B. Okay, there is no more B over here now. Okay, so how many B's are there? 1, 2, 3 B's are there. That means B kotera tinta. Now the last number is C, isn't it? So why to do it? Otherwise, if you want to do it, so let us write down wrong for it. Otherwise, let us do circle for it. Wrong. C, 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 and here one more C. Okay, so how many C's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means if you give the different marking, then that will be easy for us to count. Okay, so एउटा भयो, दुईटा भयो, तीन भयो, चार भयो, पाँच भयो. That means 5 C's are there. Now after writing this one, now what shall we do? We need to see the highest repeated number. Which one is the highest repeated frequency लाई हेर्ने. So कुन सबैभन्दा धेरै? So 4 छ, 3 छ, 5 छ. Which one is the highest? 5 is the highest. So what is the mode then? Therefore, mode equals to C. Why it is C? Because it has the highest repeated what? Frequencies. Okay? So it has the highest repeated frequencies. That means dhere repeat bhasa. So that's why it is our answer. Is that okay or not? Understood? Okay. So first of all, let us get the value. Okay, यो जुन नम्बर छ त्यसको नम्बरलाई काउन्ट गर्ने, then after counting it, so see which number is repeated for the highest time, and जुन highest पल्ट repeat भएको छ नि हो त्यही हो answer. Isn't it easy? Right? Very easy. So let us go to number 10 now. 10 पनि त्यही छ. So frequency is given. So let me see number 10. What is given over there? So it is of let's get ready. So number 10. So number 9 also we need to do in the similar way. So number 9 ma. So find the modes. So which one is the highest repeated frequency? Which one is the highest repeated? 35 is highest repeated. So what is our mode? Mode is 8. Hey, no need to make the format. Make this one only. So we need to see at F. F is 35. 35 is the highest repeated. So therefore mode equals to 8. Again, inside the bracket add-on. Since it has the highest repeated frequencies. Okay. So number 10. Let us go to number 10. In a class there are 15 students. Right? Of how many age? So age group of 16 years. That means two things are given. Student is given. Year is given. Okay. So 16 वर्षको 15 जना student रहेछ. So again there is next thing also. 14 student of 17 years. That means 17 वर्षको कति जना student? 14 जना student. कति जना? I told last time also कति. If it comes in the कति, that means how many? Then that is the frequency. Okay, others we can call it n also. Frequency. The total of f is called n, isn't it? So this is f frequency. So 16 student of 18 years. That means what are the two things over here? So we can see student year, student year, student year, isn't it? So here also you can see labor year, labor, right? 35 ko year, 20 ko year. Okay. So that means, so in this case you need to write on labor and age. So in this case you need to write on student and age. Okay. If you are getting confused, then let me write on in this way. So 15 students, they are of 16 years. Student year, okay, ages. Barsha, kati umerko. So 14 people, they are of 17 years. 16 people, they are of 18 years. Okay, so I told you just before also, how many people are there of 16 age? Okay, now by तिम्रो क्वेशनमा हेर्दा नि हुन्छ त्यहाँबाट पनि बुझिन्छ. So find के भनेछ? Find the modal age भनेछ. Modal age. Where is age? Find the modal student भनेको पो यो x हुन्थ्यो त. If there is written modal age, that means which one is x? This is x. Okay. Which one is f? Frequency कुन हो त? This is the frequency. Always the student, boys, laborers. Okay. So they are the numbers. Okay. So कति जना केटाहरु छन्? 5 जना केटा. 5 जना. Okay. That means they are the frequency. How many? 5 people. Okay. So these are the frequencies. These are the numbers. So ages are x, your frequency. So modal age kati hota? So modal age is 18. Why it is 18? Because which one is the highest repeated frequency? So here we have written frequency in the front. Okay. So you agadi lekhiyo, you x la pichadi lekhiyeko cha. Is that okay or not? So which one is the highest repeated? 16 is the highest repeated. So what is our answer? 18 is the answer. So why this is frequency? Because these are the students. How many students are there? 18 वर्षको 16 वर्षको कति जना? 15 जना. So I told you just before also, if there is the word called how many, then that is the frequency. Okay, so this is the frequency. Actually, this should be at the back side. This must be in the front, but we have already written it, so leave it. Okay, so this is 16, 18, 16, 17, 18, and this must be 17, 14, and 12. So the kata repeat basa 16 is highly repeated, so 16 is our frequency. Right, so 16 is our frequency, and so this is the highest repeated. So kuno the answer? 18 is the answer. So modal age is 18. Why it is 18? Because since it has the highest repeated frequency. Okay. Okay, so the last number, let us go for the last number. Okay, so which is the modal later in this this word? Which is the modal later in constitution? Okay, constitution. Okay, संविधानमा, constitutionमा, what is the modal letter? Okay, what do you mean by modal letter? Constitution is there. Okay, so let us break the name of this one. Constitution. Okay, so tell me the spelling of constitution. Okay, spell the word constitution. C O N S T I T U T I O N. Constitution, isn't it? Okay, so how many C are there? Let us break the word of from this constitution. So C. So C, how many C's are there? One. Finished. Okay, so one letter is there. Constitution. Okay, so let us do like this. Let me mark with the next color, so that will be easy for you to see it properly. Okay, constitution. Okay, C, I have cancelled it. Only one word is repeated. O. So the next word is O. How many O's are there? One, two. Okay, so two O's are there. So that means let us cancel O and O also. Okay, so if you want to cancel with the pencil, so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so N. How many N's are there? One. N is the next word, isn't it? N. Next N is here also. So two. That means how many N are there? There are two N's. So next word is S. S. Okay. So how many S are there? Only one S. That means only one S is there. Let us cut this one also. Okay. So if you cut it, you will see how many words are remaining. Repeat now, Samir. Right? Okay. So T. How many T's are there? One, two, three. That means how many T's are there? Three T's are there. Constitution 3. Okay. So 3. So 3. Then after that, after T, what comes? I. I is the next word. So how many I's are there? One, two. One, two. Okay, so there are two I's over here. So 2 let me there. And what is remaining? U is remaining over here. So how many U? Okay, everything is cancelled now. Only one U is left. So U only one times. Okay, so everything we have written. Now see. Now look. Which one is the highest repeated number? 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Say which one is the highest repeated? 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Which one is the highest? 3 is the highest. Okay, so 3 is the highest. So what is the modal letter then? So kuno the modal letter? I is the modal letter. Okay, I, not I, it is T. Let me cancel this one. So which one is the modal letter? T is the modal letter. Why is T is the modal letter? Because T has the highest frequency. T sanga धेरै frequency छ. Okay, T is repeated for more times. So modal class is T. Okay, so let us write down. Let us see this one. So modal letter equals to question mark here. Modal letter equals to T. Why it is T? Why you T? T किन यो modal letter भएको त भन्दाखेरि because it has the highest repeated what frequency. So modal letter equals to T. Okay, why we are writing letter over here? Because your question was find the modal letter. Okay, you can see the question also. Modal letter equals to question mark. So modal letter equals to T, since it has the highest repeated frequency. Okay, so in this way, so you can complete everything. Okay, so in this way, let us complete all the latest. Let's get ready also, solve also. So do everything. Okay, so and please do all the notes and please provide me the same day till night 11:59. Some I will be waiting. Okay, I'll be waiting for your copies and all. So please provide me your copies. Okay, in the Google Classroom. So if you are not connected in the Google Classroom, so this is my ID. I am providing the ID and password every day. Please go and check. So if you are class 10 for math, you need to type this one. This is the code. This is the code for class 10 math. If you are class 10 accounts, so MYVVI52, this is my code for accounts. This is for math. Is that okay? So there was only 13 views. please, all of you, sit properly. It is for you. Okay, you are the SE students, so please be well prepared for your examination and all. So around 70% is already completed from your book. Okay, so you are class 9 or 10, 9, sorry, we are class 9. So there were 18 views altogether. So for class 9, I'm sorry, so you are class 9. So for class 9, so this is for accounts, and for math, UKJGZDK is your math code. Okay, so class 9. This is for class 9. Is that okay or not? Class 9, this is your code. So please sit properly and please follow. Okay, so follow the links and all, and on the same day, please submit me the answers on the same day. Okay, so bye bye everyone. So have a nice day.